Hello everyone, it's me, Thomas, and today I'm going to be telling you a story about me and Diesel. All aboard for a big adventure! The strongest Quarry engine. Oh, thank you, Thomas. You're a very good shunter. No problem, Henry. Always happy to be really useful. So, you think you're strong? Well, I didn't really say I was strong, but I suppose I am strong since I shunted all those cars for Henry. Then why don't we have a little competition to see who is the strongest Quarry engine? The strongest Quarry engine? Are you sure? Oh, of course, Thomas. We have plenty of time. What's the worst that can happen? Very good. Now, we gotta pull them all the way to the other side of the yard. Bet you can't do that, Thomas. Oh, cinders and ashes. These cars are very heavy. Thomas had no idea that Diesel had given him an old brake van. Its brakes were locked on, and Thomas didn't know it. Looks like I'm going to win today. No, you won't, Diesel. Oh! Fizzling fireboxes! Diesel, are you alright? What was that for? You didn't need to knock me off the rails because you were losing. Here's James. Where are my cars, Thomas? Oh, fizzling fireboxes. I've been so busy doing the contest with Diesel, I didn't focus on the jobs. Oh, fizzling fireboxes. I'm so sorry, James. Your cars aren't ready, but I'll work very hard to get them ready. What about me? Silly steamies.